first off, shout out to you for starting your weight loss journey, starting your physical fitness journey, etc. And also, sorry, I've been preaching diet and exercise, and that's something that you've been doing. And now you're waking up, your muscles are aching, your joints are hurting, and you're realizing, what the Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. You know, this is Dr. Philippe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about muscle soreness and a few things that I think are key in terms of ways to help prevent it, or rather ways to help ease the burden of it. Number one, you need to start stretching. Stretch before you work out, stretch after you work out. And it doesn't need to be a full 30-minute, 45-minute scenario. You can do a light stretching before you work out, specifically the muscle groups that you're going to be working out for that day. And then after you work out, also incorporate a little bit of a lengthier stretching routine just to help ease that transition afterwards. Another thing that you can do is you can also apply ice. If you've watched any NBA basketball game, when some of the players sub out and they're going to be out for a little bit, you will see them on the bench and they will have ice on several joints, whether it be shoulders, knees, you name it. Ice/cold really helps ease inflammation. I had a brief stint in high school where I played football, and those ice baths, I never did one, but I've watched some of my then teammates do it. Man, it's no joke. No joke at all. Number two on the list is making sure that you're staying hydrated. You want to make sure that you are rehydrating with water and electrolytes in general. Now, I'm not advocating that you drink a gallon of water after a workout. All I'm saying is that you want to make sure that you stay hydrated, whether it be earlier in the day, throughout the day, and also during and also after your workout. And if you have any concerns about your own personal electrolytes, talk to your healthcare provider, get some labs drawn so you can understand what your body is like before you even get into that process. This advice is not meant to be medical advice. Any medical advice that you're seeking, be sure to speak to a healthcare professional. Now, in talking to different people, whether it be former clients or patients, etc., I can tell you that this next piece of advice is one that I don't think people often do, at least. There are reasons as to why, but massaging, you know, that's very important in terms of what I call, or what's termed as muscle hygiene. Now, things are expensive, so spending money to have a massage every so often can definitely hurt your pockets. So what you can also do is foam rolling. Now, I will warn you, foam rolling is not necessarily the best feeling, but it's good. And that's all I can say on that. You should try it. You won't thank me, but you'll thank me. Last but not least, you want to give your body some time to recover. Don't go trying to do what you did years ago, back in your 20s or your early teens. Start low, go slow, or work your way up. You will feel sore and you will get over it, but you do not want to do too much too fast. You will hurt yourself. I work out a specific set of muscle groups on a Monday. I'm sore at least by Wednesday, and on Thursday is probably the soonest I would revisit that same muscle group. And the more you work out, you won't necessarily feel as sore as you continue to work out and continue to exercise. It's definitely something that you will struggle with in the beginning, especially if you are further out of shape. However, over time, keep going at it, and you will feel improvement in general. But again, rest and recovery is extraordinarily important. So like I said before, muscle soreness sucks, it hurts, and it's part of the journey, it's part of the process, but there are things you can do to overcome it. Stretching, ice, massaging, rest and recovery, and staying hydrated. Those are very important, and I would say the building blocks of muscle hygiene overall. Now, if you experience muscle soreness that is outrageous and you really cannot even function on your day-to-day, I would suggest seeing a healthcare provider. But some things are challenging, and some challenges are meant to be overcome overall. Just be careful after leg day. I warned you. And like I said in a previous video, if you've previously been in shape and then now you're trying to get back in shape, don't go trying to do what you did years ago, back in your 20s or your early teens. Start low, go slow, or work your way up. You will feel sore and you will get over it, but you do not want to do too much too fast. You will hurt yourself. So be careful, stay safe, and get busy. Thank you again for stopping by on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop a comment below providing any tips and tricks that you found that's helpful for you in terms of getting in shape and helping you on your healthcare journey. See you guys in the next video.